Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your Whirlpool dryer won't turn on. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your Whirlpool dryer won't turn on. Number 1, power supply problems. Number 2, a faulty door switch. Or number 3, a defective start switch. Here's how to fix the issues. Check the power supply. First, confirm that your dryer is connected firmly to the power source. Then, check if the circuit breaker has tripped. If it has tripped, turn the breaker on. Connect your dryer to another outlet to rule out a faulty power outlet. It is advisable not to use extension cords because they can cause power surges. If this doesn't work, inspect the door switch. Your Whirlpool dryer won't turn on if the door is not fully closed or if the door switch is faulty. Therefore, open and close the dryer's door to ensure it latches correctly. Also, examine the door switch to confirm it's damaged or broken. If the door switch is faulty, get a new one. If this doesn't work, check the start switch. Power off your dryer and disassemble the control panel. Then remove the start switch and test it using a multimeter. If the switch has no continuity, replace it. Alternatively, you can push the start switch and listen for any humming sound. Replace the start switch if there is no such sound. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your Whirlpool dryer that won't turn on. Thanks for watching. Till next time.